What up, what up, what up? This is Star with Starz Empress Wisdom. What's good, Aries? Hope y'all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, what's good? Love you lots. Thank you so much for all the love and support. This is going to be for Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, as well as North Node. This could be involving a soulmate, twin flame, someone from your soul tribe, family member, friend, anyone or anything regarding love in the next 7 days for Aries. Energies can be vice versa, so get in where you fit in. You will know who you are in the story if you're keeping it 100. This ain't gonna resonate for everybody, so if this message is for you, you will know. If it's not, you may want to check back at a later time, or check other readers out there. I don't know. But anyways, if you would like a personal, you could hit me up. My information is down below. If you would like to donate to the channel, that information is down below as well, and very much appreciated. And thank you so much to those that do. So, all right. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. Oh yeah, this week I'm doing secrets. So it's going to be something secret that you may be hiding from someone else, or vice versa. You could be finding out a secret that someone is trying to hide from you. Some lyrics as well as a regular reading, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so if you've been here, you know, you pretty much know the deal. Alright, anywho, Aries. Oh, I did a pre-shuffle. Basically, I'm getting that know that you are financially blessed, or that you are blessed with financial abundance, okay? But I feel like you guys are trying to, you guys may not want to separate, or someone may not want to let go of you. I feel like you are trying to build a business and and I feel like that's what you're focused on at this time, but you may be hit with the truth, okay? Maybe you're getting hit with the truth as far as, now that you need to separate from someone in order to be able to build this business, because you're blessed with financial abundance here, okay? So, some of you, yeah, the truth is that you're creating a project, something that you love to put your time and energy and effort into, something that it could be a talent, it could be a gift of yours. I feel like you are putting in the work, and this is going to result in abundance for you, okay? So that's what I got so far, but some of you guys may not want to let go of someone or something in order to allow this to manifest in your life, or someone may be trying to hold on to you and trying to block that, okay? But anywho, I'll just say, this is my boo's Jimi Hendrix shirt. So who cares if it's wrinkled, because it's Jimi Hendrix. So anyways, all right, let's see it. All right, so transcendence. So it says, transcend your mind's limitations and allow your soul's light to truly shine. You guys are needing to transcend your mind's limiting beliefs. I feel like you guys may say a lot of negative shit in your head to yourself. You may doubt yourself a lot. You may be like somebody that's always like, that's never going to happen for me, or that's not going to work out, or they going to cheat anyway, or this ain't going to happen for me. Like that type of, you need to release that type of self-sabotage, negative self-talk. I feel that you need to transcend from that, because some of you guys could have been sabotaging your own selves as far as limiting yourself through what you tell yourself in your head about what you can and cannot do, okay? 333. So your guides and angels are definitely in the building. They're trying to let you know that it's time for you to let those behaviors go, because those negative thought patterns, I feel, is something that could have been blocking you, or could be blocking you right now. Yeah, you guys are a star. Some of you guys may be releasing, some of you guys, someone may be walking away from you because you may be someone who speaks negatively towards them. So someone else could be letting go of you because you could be somebody that's blocking them mentally or in some type of way, creatively, or just, period. You could be somebody that always says negative shit to them or whatever, and I feel like this person is a star and they're meant and destined to be a star, so they may be releasing you in order to follow their inner compass, follow their dreams. It says, follow the light of your inner compass, the blue star. It will lead you to the truth that resides within your soul. So yeah, somebody is following their soul mission, their soul blueprint, okay? And so you could be walking away in order to do that, or someone else could be walking away from you in order to do that. But I feel that for those of you who know that you do a lot of self-sabotaging and shit, and you're working on a creative project, I feel what is blocking your abundance from coming into you is your own beliefs and thoughts of yourself, okay? Anyways, let's see. Let's get a cherubim message, aka the angels. Alright, so if this is like a relationship, also don't be speaking negative shit regarding your relationship or your love life. We understand that sometimes you may feel alone, but we are always here. So your guides and angels want you to know that they are with you, alright? As you transcend your mind's limiting beliefs, you know, your guides can channel divine insight to you guys and hit you with some divine wisdom or, you know, and whatnot so that you can manifest your abundance. But sometimes I feel like some of you guys may be like have like abandonment issues or something like that. You may have an issue with feeling alone, or some of you guys could have issues surrounding parents or something like that. Some of you guys could have always felt alone at home or something, but know that your guides and angels are always with you. They want you to stop thinking negative shit about yourself, about your life, about who you are, even about your upbringing. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it wasn't, you know, it's perception. Maybe you weren't really alone. Maybe you just needed to learn how to be more independent, okay? So you could have been around a lot of people that were super, super independent so that you could be like that as well. 3 could be significant, okay? So 3 days could be significant. I'm hearing 3 years as well. So let's see. Who's going towards you, or who's coming towards you? Who you going towards? Who's in your energy in the next 7 days? Aries. Capricorn. So you could be dealing with a Capricorn. You could be dealing with someone with Colombian roots. All right. Or you could have Colombian roots. I'm getting Scorpio moon. So you could be dealing with someone that has a Scorpio moon. I'm also seeing Venus and Aries. All right. May 26th could be significant, or September 28th. In Chicago, some of you guys could be from Chicago or be going to Chicago or leaving Chicago, something like that. I feel like you could be dealing with someone who was religious, you know, but I feel like this person is no longer religious. So this could be somebody that used to be a Christian, but now they are no longer Christian, or this is you. I feel like it says learn to make peace with eternal dissatisfaction. So I feel like some of you guys are learning to, you know, shit ain't always going to work out or pan out the way that you want. Things aren't always going to be the way that you want it to be, but I feel like you are learning to make peace with that, or this person has. The most powerful form of rebellion is of the spirit. So I feel like you guys could have definitely came from a situation where there was a lot of shit going on around you spiritually. That could have been one of the reasons why you were thinking so negatively about yourself, your situation, or whatever. There could have been a lot of darkness around you, and it's like black all around the mind, black hair, black hat. And I feel like these are like words, black. It's just dark. It was dark, negative energy being spoken to you. People were, I feel, verbal abuse, mental abuse, just people saying a lot of negative shit in your head or in someone's head so much that I feel like it could have caused this person to be limited or feel blocked in a way. Yeah, it could have blocked this person's emotions. Okay, but I do feel like this is somebody who is like rebelling against whatever. Yeah, somebody is a rebel by birth. Okay, and I feel like this person is going to overcome whatever this is that they have been going through. So, or like I said, this is you. Somebody could play an instrument, a trumpet or something. Somebody could be like a engineer, music engineer, stereo. All right. Davis could be a last name of someone here. But anyways, I could go on and on and on, huh? Let's get a message, or actually let's get another sign to confirm who this could be. All right, so this could be a Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, okay? So we got Capricorn and Pisces. All right, let's see. Let's get a, what is the secret that this person wants to tell you, or vice versa? What is the secret? I have been hiding a third-party situation. All right, so this person may be wanting to reveal to you that maybe they do want to reveal it to you. Some of you guys may be hiding a secret that you have been hiding a third-party situation, or this person is hiding this from you that they've involved you in a third-party situation. So either you or them, okay, is hiding the secret. All right. But your affirmation for the next 7 days, say it to yourself, say it out loud, say it in the mirror. I am whole. I am whole. I am whole. All right. So that is your affirmation for the week. All right. And the lyrics is, oh shit, it is what it is. So surrounding this situation, I guess somebody has been hiding that they've had you in a third party situation, or you have, but it is what it is. And I feel like that's how somebody may feel about it. Or maybe you need to feel this way about this. But it says, share my life, take me for what I am, because I'll never change my colors for you. I have nothing. Okay, so this person has nothing to offer you. I feel like this person didn't have anything to offer you. This person just wanted to share, wanted you to be a part of their life in some type of way. It could have been sexually, could have been monetarily, whatever. But somebody's not going to change their colors for you or anybody. So somebody had some, like hidden colors, all right? I don't know. Somebody wasn't, somebody wanted you to be a part of their lifestyle, whatever that was, okay? And I feel like it was a part of a third-party situation, but somebody's saying they'll never change their colors for you. And like I said, this person is nothing for you, I feel. Or nothing that I don't think they had any good intentions. But that's obviously by Whitney Houston, I Have Nothing, all right? So let's get some current energy. Oh. All right, so I'm a baller. Ain't that Chingy? I felt baby. Yeah, I think that's Chingy. Anyways, I don't know why that just popped up. So I don't know. Y'all dealing with Chingy? I don't know. But anyways, somebody wants to be a baller. I feel like this is somebody who wants to be a businessman or some type of success in a business. This could be you. All right. I feel like peace is being restored. Peace and balance is being restored in your life. So this could be you. Or it could be peace and balance and harmony is being restored between you and this person. Could be a businessman. It could be a Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Yeah, I feel like your health is recovered. Somebody has had some type of miracle healing after they laid something to rest. I feel like balance is restored now. Yeah. Two hearts be as one. All right, so I feel like somebody is, peace is being restored in a relationship here. So I feel like there's a true pair situation, and I feel like somebody is also working on a business or putting in time and effort and energy to a business, and that is bringing in some type of balance, peace. Something is being restored here. Happiness. It could be in your life or it could be between you and your person. Some of you guys may have had to release someone else. I feel like someone it wanted to offer you a new love offer or currently wants to offer you a new love offer, but I feel like they can't. They know they can't, or you can't offer to this person anymore because somebody has released the situation. It could be releasing a lover from the past because someone has made a choice. All right, so I feel like somebody has made a choice. Balance and peace is here within this situation, and I feel like somebody has success coming in as well, involving a business. Yeah, but I feel like somebody may have had to release a commitment or release a marriage. All right. Or what I'm also getting is that someone feels like they lost an opportunity of marriage and love with you. And yeah, I feel like somebody feels like they lost an opportunity with you. Or you feel like you lost an opportunity because someone made a choice here. Okay. Yeah, but I feel like this was a fake ass situation. So this is a loss of a fake friend or a fake companion. So this person was being deceptive. So if this was a lover that was trying, that wants to offer you some love right now, this person was deceptive anyway. This person was lying to you anyway. Obviously, they were hiding a third party situation and they were just trying to have you involved in their life in some type of way. All right, maybe this person was trying to get you to have a baby by then. Yeah, but I feel like this person was definitely deceptive and using some type of deception and trickery when you was dealing with them. I just keep hearing, I have nothing. All right, so somebody is like, they have nothing for you, okay? I don't know what that is, but somebody had nothing for you, okay? Yeah, but anyways, let's see, next 7 days. I feel like this is somebody who's dramatic as shit. All All right. Yeah, I feel like somebody could be competing against you, or still trying to be involving in some type of competition. Somebody's ex could be competing with you or whatever. But I feel like there's some type of spiritual battle you could be dealing with in the next 7 days here, because somebody is competing against you. So somebody could be trying to make you feel internally conflicted within yourself. They could be saying something or doing anything to try to get you to doubt yourself or whatever. But this person or these people, whatever, this is competition here. People competing with you, so don't even trip about that. I'm hearing communication, so somebody could be trying to communicate online or saying some stupid shit, but they're just trying to compete against you, basically. So I feel that you need to avoid conflict. All right, avoid conflict, because I feel like somebody's trapped in their ego. 5 5 5 5. Damn, that's a lot of change happening. But yeah, I feel like it's time for you to avoid conflict in this situation, because you are healing. All right, so somebody may be upset and upset that they lost somebody else, or lost you. But I feel like you're healing, and you are meant to avoid some type of conflict. Whether it's communication online or whatever, or somebody's coming at you. I feel like somebody's trying to compete against you. And trying to make you feel internally conflicted about what you got going on here. So don't even let that happen. All right, yeah, it's time for you to release devil energy. I feel like if somebody is doing spell work or doing some bullshit, I feel like that is going to be released here. You will be stable. I feel like money is coming in for you. Stability is coming in for you. And you will, if you were doubting if your business was going to thrive or not, it will. You know what I'm saying? Or it's this person. Yeah, I feel like things are going to happen quick. Your business is going to thrive quickly. It could be involving communications. It could be YouTube, IG, Twitter, I don't know. Singing, lyricists, speaking. But yeah, I feel like things are going to move quickly. Some of you guys may get an opportunity to move in the near future here. But I feel like you could be feeling stuck because of a group of people. So, like I said, it could be a group of people that speak negative shit in your head. Don't allow these people to trap you in fear anymore. Don't allow them to make you feel stuck anymore, because it's not real. Yeah, I feel like these people may text you, or this person or whatever. They may reach out to you in the next 7 days here. Yeah, but I feel like you are going to focus on balancing your balanced relationship. Some of you guys have a balanced partnership or relationship, and that's what you're going to focus on, putting energy and effort into that. But like I said, somebody, you could be feeling stuck because a group of people, it could be 3 people significantly, or your person could be feeling stuck in the next 7 days. But I do feel like things are going to balance out for you guys. And because this person does love you. I feel like there is mutual love between you and someone, but they may be feeling a little stuck because of, I don't know, a group of people. Could be a third-party situation involving, like, if it's not like a secret lover or an ex or something like that, it could be somebody mama, somebody daddy, somebody brother, whatever. But someone needs to transcend their mind's limiting beliefs. Release these fears and shit, because it's just fear. All right, things are going to happen quickly for you, and this devil energy that's making you feel like all these negative vibes and doubts about yourself, that shit is going to end in the next 7 days here, and things are going to start moving fast for you. Okay, yeah, because people are just causing you internal conflict. I feel like it's a spiritual battle that you're going through, because somebody's trying to stop you from forward movement. Yeah, it could be a Scorpio, all right, but something significant could happen in Scorpio season for you. It could be a Scorpio, a young water sign. All right, so yeah, somebody may be doing some spell work, competing against you because you laid something to rest with them. A Scorpio, okay. Yeah, I feel like somebody needs emotional growth here, okay. Yeah, because they feel like you're lying or something like that, or you lied to them and you got married or something like that. But I feel like no, it was just that they were burdensome. The situation between you and them was burdensome. So, anywho, I feel like some type of third-party situation could be making you feel a type of way, but don't let it. I feel like whoever isn't going to change their colors and shit, okay, drop them. I feel like, but I do feel like whoever needs to make the decision, they are, and it's going to go from 3 to 2, okay? So, much love to you, Aries. Good luck. Don't be scared, boo.